The new UPF50 Gil Raker gloves from KastKing. Hi, this is Scott Thomas. We've got another great product for you. This is the KastKing Gil Raker gloves. Great for lots of outdoor activities like kayaking, fishing, bike riding, even hiking through the woods. So lots of things you can do with these gloves. So let me take you through some of the features. So the outside of these gloves are made out of a durable poly-spandex material, so they're very flexible. It stretches 4 different directions, and it also offers sun protection, so it's rated UPF50, so it's going to protect your hands from the sun as well. And then on the palm of the glove, we've got a microfiber material, very tough, very durable, yet soft as well. So this is going to hold up for lots of outdoor activities. And we've added an extra layer of PVC on the palm of the glove. So this helps with wear as well as helps protect your hands during all sorts of outdoor activities. The Gil Raker gloves are designed for a very snug fit, so they're going to be very comfortable. So if you pull the strap back and slide them on, you can see we have an elastic band around the wrist. You can make that as tight as you want to make it comfortable. And then you can see that we've cut the fingers back on these gloves to make it easy for you to tie knots, to adjust your reels if you need to tie on leader, all without having to take your gloves off. And finally, one of my favorite features of these gloves is this loops that we put on the back side of these 2 fingers. So if you want to take them off, you just put your fingers in there and you can pull them off real easy. So go check them out. The new Gil Raker gloves from KastKing. They can be used for fishing, for kayaking, for hiking, for biking, lots of different outdoor activities, so go check them out.